G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 with the model number X200 or X205. This one here I've had sitting on my blue heat pad for around about 5 minutes. It's very toasty to work with. So now I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol, heat it up, go around the outer edge, pry into it, and then I'm going to replace it with a brand new screen. So if you have access to heat, that definitely helps. If you have access to isopropyl alcohol, that will help a little bit more. And from there we should hopefully be able to remove the screen. I'm not sure which way the flex cable on this runs. Got a couple of pry tools. 1, 2, 3. This one I like to use just because it gets me started. I should be able to poke that in. Just need to double check which way. This is the narrow end. I'm going to start up the other end. Okay, I should be able to slide that through. Should be able to hopefully go back this way too. Okay. I'm going to pry this one into here to lock it into position. Go around one more time with isopropyl. There's a different pry tool this time. There we go. I should be able to, hopefully, fold it like a book. Have the connection down here. Disconnect here first. Use a small Phillips head screwdriver to undo it. Take that off. Lift up the latch. If I can get it to lift. There we go. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the screen. Put that up out of the way. And we've got this one here to focus on. Now I'll take this tape off here. Suck down pretty darn well. Okay. Lift up the latch here. So, and that pulls out. Just transfer that straight onto the replacement screen from here. So in we go here. Fold over. There we go. We get this off here. And put that onto here. Ta-da! New screen I'll put aside. Old screen I'll throw to the side. Now what I want to do from here is clean up the factory adhesive. So we will be using some B7000 frame adhesive to replace it. This stuff here. I get a small Phillips head screwdriver and another little spatula. Should just be able to go around the outside, clean it up. And around this way. Go. I like to use my toothbrush. Let me turn off the heat just for a minute. Actually, I'll leave the heat on and put this underneath it. Just so this isn't heating up while I'm doing it. And now I just want to go around the outer perimeter. frame adhesive glue. There was one shard that somehow stayed on there. Go, it's now out. Continue along. Now you do have to be cautious around here with the front facing camera and the ambient light sensor, or proximity sensor. I think it's an ambient light sensor on this one. Don't want to flood that with glue and get it on there. Go. Just want to put a little dribble along here, like so. Bingo. Okay. Now I need to reconnect the screen. What the best way to do it's going to be, so we'll just try snaking it around. Should just push and hold over the top and push down. Should snap into position. After that, reconnect your battery. After that, grab this one. Should slide in, drop down. A little hole there pushes through. Screw in over here. Go. And it should be a matter of just snaking it around so that cable goes back to its original location. A matter of dropping that screen back into position. Okay. From here, test out your screen to make sure everything is okay. So right now I'm dead flat, but as you can see, we should be waking up shortly. So I'm going to leave that on charge. But anyway, I hope this helps with the screen replacement on your Samsung Galaxy Tab X200 or X205. Buy. Well, actually, before buy, I'm going to take it off charge, heat it up on my heat pad so that glue cures. Then from there, charge it up and be right to go. Now I'll catch you guys later. Bye.